Why is the insurance company delaying my treatment when all that delay is only going to make my work injury worse? I'm Jody Brenner Ginsburg of Ginsburg Law Offices, and today I want to speak with you about that. Logically, you would say, hey, get me my medical treatment. I got hurt at work. Let me get better and let me get back to work. That would be logical. Unfortunately, in workers' compensation in Georgia, that's not exactly how it works. There are delays, and more delays. First of all, you have doctors who are being paid by the workers' comp insurance company to, in many cases, run less tests because it's least expensive to do it that way. So they may just go ahead and put you in physical therapy before they decide they're going to run an MRI on your shoulder, on your neck, on your back, on your knee, on your ankle, whatever the case may be. Whereas if you went in there as a private pay or a group health insurance person, that might be run within a week or two. Workers' comp is going to be delayed. The insurance adjuster has to approve everything that the doctor orders. That just in and of itself delays things. Secondly, when they delay things, they think you're going to go away. Oh gosh, they're not going to do this. I can't stay at this job. I just got to quit. I got to go. Don't do that. That would be a big mistake because you're still hurt. The injury occurred on that job. And if you try to go to another job, you're going to go in there injured, like an injured bird who can't do their job, who can't fly away. So don't do that. Okay. That's a bad idea. What you need to do is, if you want our help, give us a call and we're happy to help you. What I do always, when my client goes to the doctor, you're going to talk to me beforehand. We're going to try to talk to you about what's going on with you. You're going to explain that to us, and then what the next steps would be when you're asking the doctor for the care that you need and the testing you need. When you walk out of that doctor's office, you're going to call me, and we're going to make sure that you send us the work restrictions, the referrals for any testing, medications, specialized care. And when we get that document, we immediately send it over to the workers' comp adjuster, or if there's a lawyer on the case representing the employer insurer, we send it to them. And then we start counting. There are 5 business days that they have to get you that medical care. And if they don't, we put it on our calendar. We follow up with them in 2 days later, 3 days later. Hey, what's the story about this MRI? What's the story about this medication? And if they don't do it after 5 business days, on the 6th business day, we file what's called a petition for medical treatment, PMT, and we request a call with a judge immediately. And then the judge sets the call. You'd be surprised at how many times we don't even need to get to that call and the treatment gets approved. Not weeks, not months later, but within days. So give us a call. We're happy to help you get your medical care going in the right direction on a timely basis. If the insurance company fails to do it and controverts it and denies it, then we'll immediately have to ask for a hearing and get in front of a judge and do an actual evidentiary hearing. You want to speak with me further about your medical care and moving your case along? Give me a call, 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jody, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me